there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make the best purchasing decisions. Today, we're diving into the world of 3D printing with two heavyweights, the ELEGOO Mars 4 and the Phrozen Sonic Mini 8KS. It's gonna be a resin-slinging showdown. First up, let's talk about what's gonna hit your wallet. The ELEGOO Mars 4 comes in at a cool $309, while the Phrozen Sonic Mini 8KS will set you back $375. So if you're looking to save those extra bucks for, I don't know, a lifetime supply of ramen, ELEGOO's got your back. But hey, maybe you like living on the edge and want to splurge on that extra resolution. We'll see if it's worth it. Speaking of resolution, let's talk screens. The ELEGOO Mars 4 flexes a 7 inches 9K mono LCD with a resolution of 8500/4320. That's like watching Shrek in Ultra HD. Meanwhile, the Phrozen Sonic Mini 8KS boasts the highest resolution on the market at an insane 22 micrometer. That's so detailed, you might just print a model of your own existential crisis. Reviewers love the ELEGOO Mars 4 for its excellent print quality, especially for miniatures and model kits. On the other hand, Phrozen Sonic Mini 8KS is praised for its top-notch detail and accuracy, making it perfect for intricate models. Next, let's shed some light on the situation. The ELEGOO Mars 4 uses a COB UV light source with 36 LEDs, which makes your models look as realistic as your Tinder profile pictures. On the other hand, the Phrozen Sonic Mini 8KS promises smooth surfaces with up to 50% less layer lines. So if you're tired of your models looking like a topographical map of the Himalayas, Phrozen might be your pick. Reviewers have noted that the Mars 4 produces excellent surface quality, while the Phrozen Sonic Mini 8KS is celebrated for its ability to minimize layer lines. Now, let's get down to the nitty-gritty of build plates and stability. ELEGOO's got an upgraded laser-carved build plate for stronger adhesion and a linear guide rail design on the Z-axis for extra stability. It's like gluing your model to the table and then bolting it down for good measure. Phrozen? Well, it's simple and easy to operate, making it perfect for those of us who still struggle with IKEA furniture. Reviewers appreciate the ELEGOO Mars 4 for its strong adhesion and stability, while the Phrozen Sonic Mini 8KS is praised for its user-friendly operation. All right, slicers, it's time to slice and dice. ELEGOO's Voxel Dance Tango slicing software offers 3 printing modes and even shows a model preview. It's like having a sneak peek at your birthday present. Phrozen, however, is compatible with most slicers out there, including Lychee, Chitubox, and Tango. So if you're a slicing software connoisseur, Phrozen's open-source system is your all-you-can-slice buffet. Reviewers have found ELEGOO's software to be simple and versatile, while Phrozen's compatibility with multiple slicers is a big plus for many users. Finally, let's chat user experience and support. ELEGOO offers a 1-year warranty and promises to reply within 24 hours if you have any issues. It's like having a tech support ninja at your beck and call. Phrozen, on the other hand, is touted as the best entry-level printer for beginners. It's like the training wheels of 3D printing. Perfect if you're just starting out and still figuring out how to not glue your fingers together. Reviewers have praised ELEGOO for its excellent customer support and reliability, while Phrozen is highly recommended for beginners due to its ease of use. Overall, the ELEGOO Mars 4 is celebrated for its high-quality prints, strong adhesion, and excellent customer support. Reviewers find it to be an excellent tool for both hobbyists and professionals. The Phrozen Sonic Mini 8KS, on the other hand, is lauded for its ultra-detailed prints and user-friendly operation, making it a top choice for beginners and those working on intricate models. However, some users have faced issues with file compatibility and customer service. So there you have it, folks. The ELEGOO Mars 4 and the Phrozen Sonic Mini 8KS. Two fantastic 3D printers each with their own quirks and perks. Whether you're looking to save some cash or want the creme de la creme of resolution, there's something here for everyone. Let us know in the comments which one you'd choose and why. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss a smart buy. Until next time, stay savvy, smart shoppers. Product links are in the description.